Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by making the essentials automatic and safe. First, confirm your iPhone model supports iOS 15 and free up 48 GB of space. This avoids mid-download failures. Next, back up to iCloud or use Finder/iTunes so you can restore if needed. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug the phone into power. Keep the charge above 50% or leave it charging. Now open Settings, and we'll move to the actual update steps. You'll find the update under Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Software Update. Tap Download and Install to start. The system downloads first, then prepares the package. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on network and device speed. If you see an error, make sure storage is sufficient, disable any VPN, and remove developer or beta profiles as they can block official releases. Then retry. During installation, keep the phone connected and do not force shutdown, because interrupting the install can lead to recovery mode. Once the installation completes, follow the on-screen setup prompts and sign back into your Apple ID, then update apps in the App Store to ensure compatibility. Make sure key settings, privacy, notifications, and permissions are as you expect. If data seems missing, restore from the backup you made earlier. If the phone won't boot or is stuck on the Apple logo, one key troubleshooting tip. Connect to a computer and use recovery mode to reinstall iOS or restore from your backup to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.